Hi, welcome to Upskill Mafia. Do you get bored while mindlessly watching the lectures? Or you are not sure from where and how much to learn to actually get industry ready? Or you are just stuck at some concept and not sure from whom to ask? Or maybe you are just looking for some study buddies. Presenting to you India's first virtual college where you will be learning complete web development with MERN Stack, a place where you will be studying alongside other students and your mentors. You can learn from basics to advanced with the help of 28 minor projects and unlimited major projects. You also get access to high quality resources in both Hindi and English. You can connect with the mentors live one on one every day from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. in case you have any doubts.
Okay, hi
Yeah,
Ricky.
yeah,
Nice to meet you.
yeah. Nice to
Hope you
meet you
can
too.
come back and you can come back and learn from this platform and
Yeah, sure,
yeah, it
sure,
can be a
sure.
game changer. Yeah.
Yeah.
You also get to attend various live events and sessions hosted by our tech club and speaker club inside our campus itself.
If I have to post the video shortly, regularly in 6 o'clock, a reel about anything. So
And the most amazing thing, you also get to participate in various challenges and hackathons where you compete with the other teams, potentially winning cash prizes up to rupees 10,000.
So the winner is Team Kitchen.
Yes, that's right.
And they have won
Congratulations,
more
bro.
abilities.
So I would like to give an introduction to the problem statement first. If I wanted to create some melody, maybe I want to play a song on a piano in front of my friend, or I just want to dedicate a song to my friend. I didn't had such platform online, so presenting this music lab where anyone can come and now you can.
Very
So thank you
nice.
so much, guys. Arshad, Priyanshu, Ankit. Thank you so much for giving me my idea, and thank you so much for your efforts.
Thank you, bro.
Not just these, but you also get a certification once you complete the whole program, as well as access to various internship and job opportunities. Trust me, these are just the 10% of the things which you would actually experience while learning at our virtual campus. So join now, and I can't wait to meet you inside our virtual campus.